How to change currency on the Temu app. Want to shop in a different currency on the Temu app? Let me show you how to make that switch in just a few simple steps. Hi there, welcome to One Stop Solution. Today, I will walk you through how to change the currency on the Temu app. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Temu app on your device. Next, tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. This is where you will find your account settings. Now look at the top of the page and tap on the gear icon. This will open up your settings menu. In the settings, click on currency. You will see a list of currencies available to choose from. If you don't see your preferred currency, no worries. Just go and tap on country and region. Select your country from the list. For example, here I have chosen Algeria. Now, return to the currency option and choose the currency you want. And just like that, your Temu app is now set to your preferred currency. And that's it, you have successfully changed the currency on your Temu app. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!